Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the mic on Roblox mobile. First, ensure your account meets the age requirement. Only users 13 years old or older can access voice chat. You will need to verify your age through Roblox's secure system using a valid government-issued ID. This crucial step ensures a safe and compliant environment for everyone. Make sure your identification is current and clearly visible for a smooth verification process. To start the age verification, open your Roblox app and go into your settings. Look for the Verify My Age option, which is usually under Account Info. You will then follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve scanning a valid photo ID like a driver's license or passport. Afterward, you will be asked to take a quick, live selfie to match your face to the ID. This process takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your age verification is confirmed, which usually takes only a few moments, head back into your Roblox settings. Now, navigate to your privacy section. You should see a new option labeled Enable Voice Chat or something similar. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn this feature on. This action allows your microphone to be used in games that support spatial voice, enhancing your interactive experience significantly. Beyond the in-app settings, your mobile device itself needs to give Roblox permission to use your microphone. Go to your phone's main settings menu, then find the Apps or Applications section. Locate Roblox in your list of installed apps. Tap on Roblox, then navigate to Permissions. Make sure the microphone permission is toggled to allowed. Without this, even if enabled in Roblox, your mic won't function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.